Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to the channel. As you've seen from the thumbnail, today's makeup is all about Maybelline. Yes, I've done this makeup look using just Maybelline products so that everyone can do this makeup and they're easily available, affordably available worldwide. This golden bronzy kind of a makeup with glowy face you can achieve in less than 10 minutes. So you don't have excuse that I can't do it, I don't have products available. Everything is available and is so easy and so less time consuming. So why to waste time? Let's pitch into the video. Further ado, let's get started. I would start right away with the primer. I'm using Baby Skin Primer, one of the best in drugstore section, and I am using just a tad bit around my T-zone, over the nose and around the lips, because these are the areas where I need the most, and I would gently pat it over my skin and move on to the next step. Today we would be doing reverse contouring, reverse application of foundation. What does that mean? That means I would be using first this foundation stick as a contouring. I would be contouring first my face, that's all of my cheeks and the jawline, foreheads, the usual sections, and then would be applying foundation so that the contouring is not harsh and it looks like a shadow that's natural. If you are somebody new who doesn't know how to contour, then this is the best technique. Now I'm using matte poreless Maybelline foundation. Now this technique is so simple, you don't need many brushes. You need just one beauty sponge. This beauty sponge is also from Maybelline. You just have to pat it around, you have to dab the foundation. You have to remember that you have to just be gentle, alright? And then when you're done with the application of your foundation nicely and you're satisfied, then you have to start working on the contouring product that has been laid down on your face. So that is very simple. Once I am happy with the foundation application, now I'm just pushing this contouring product back to my hairline. This is such a natural way of getting contouring and bronzing that no harsh lines are there because you're using a cream product. So you are again using a cream product and the foundation is there. You're using the same sponge. So there's no reason for having any harsh line. Isn't it easy? Now let's rescue ourselves from the highlighting problem. I'm using a strobing cream to highlight the high points of my face. What strobing cream will save you from is all the problem associated with the powder highlighters. The problems of the powder highlighter is known to all. First, it looks unnatural. It looks like it's not a highlighter, it's actually a reflector kept on one or two parts of your skin, and it's not so dewy, it is not youthful. Second, you use a powder highlighter, texture starts peeping out. So that's not again wanted. So all these problems are solved using just a tad bit of strobing cream. One of the best strobing cream comes from Maybelline. You have to use a tad bit on the high points, and then we'll use a concealer. Name of the concealer is Master Strobe. This is of thick consistency, so if you have any thick consistency concealer, advises use your fingers. Warmth of your finger actually helps to dissolve concealer, settle it well, spread it well. So I'm using just my fingers. I'm using one shade lighter to my skin tone because I don't have the problem of blemishes, dark circles. So I'm using it as an highlighter. If you have these problems, trust me, go with your skin color. After you're happy with it, you need a powder. I'm using a compressed powder, again from Maybelline. This I will use to set my whole face and areas around where I've used concealer. I'm using a small brush, and then we'll use the nudes. The nudes and the gray shade in the nudes eyeshadow palette. First I'll create the outer V of my eyes, and then once I'm happy with the outer V, I would move on to the golden shade in the same eyeshadow palette, and I would use it all over my eyelid. I would cover all over my eyelid with the same gold. I'm keeping this look neutral so that it could work with any color of lipstick, any color of outfit. I hope you like it so far. Now I would use all-time favorite kajal from Maybelline called Colossal. If you are not a kajal person, you could give it a skip. Now just tight lining my lower waterline using the black color from the same palette, and I would smoke out my lower waterline. And when you're doing it, be careful that you don't pick into your eye. Once you're happy, let's move on to the next step. Next step is to prepare eyelashes. One of the best mascaras, you get it from Maybelline. I'm curling my eyelashes. I'm using Colossal mascara and just coating my eyelashes. And once I'm happy, I would highlight my brow bone using the same gold color, and then would prepare my brows. For brows, I'm using Maybelline pomade. The shade name is mentioned down in the description box. You can go and check it. I'm using an angular brush. I would keep my eyebrows near to natural. Thank God these days the fashion of natural eyebrows are back. I was not a huge fan of overdrawn eyebrows. So that's why I said thank God. Once I'm happy with the color payout, I would use the other side and spool the excess color and spread it around. Once you're done, if you want to give a second coat of mascara to your eyelashes, this is the right time because the first coat is dried up. Second coat will go easily and there will be no clumping. Also remember that you have to coat the lower waterline eyelashes too. Once you're happy, you can little bit intensify the crease line. I'm using the same gray which I've used in the outermost corner. Now you could see how beautiful the eye would start looking. Now let's put a little bit of extra thing. Yeah, that's in false lashes. This is optional. I love false lashes, so I'm there with it. Now let's start working on the second one. So second one I'll do offline. By now you could see the eyes have become almond shaped, so this eye look definitely needs a try. Do try it. It's very simple, right? So this is how the eyes would start looking. Now let's get the color back to our face. I'm using a blush. This is a peachy natural kind of a blush. The shade name is there in the description box. You can go ahead if you want to buy. This is such a beautiful shade and such an affordable one. I don't think so you have to give it a miss. Now what do you think the last thing is? Yes, the lips. A lipstick from Maybelline. It's a stay ink lipstick, long lasting, and that's how the look is. Hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy to see you around. And why not try this look? Do try this look. Until we meet next, you have to take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.